Tell me when you see something. I don't know where it is, though. Come on out.
I don't see anything. Holy mackerel, Sarah! What is it?
A house.
A house?
A house? Should we go see it?
No wonder it wouldn't fit through the door.
Santa.
Look, Sarah, here's the door.
And then a table.
Uh-huh.
In a kitchen?
Hard to donkeys.
Oh, it's hard to turn those. Oh, it kind of is, huh?
It has table.
Yeah, maybe you can like eat there. In a chair?
Perfect.
That was a thoughtful gift, huh?
This one. I like a playhouse.
It's like a playhouse, yeah.
Where did it go?
Oh, Sarah, you did it. You did it.
Let's go back inside.